Hey! Hey, Kiwi! Hey, Kiwi, hey! Hey, Kiwi! Kiwi!
What? What is it, mate? I'm trying to read the paper.
What happened to your voice, mate?
Dude, I'm a Kiwi. I'm from freaking New Zealand.
Oh, well that explains the accent. And the boomerangs.
Told you, we're bananas.
Accent? I don't have a hiccup accent.
What's a hippo accent?
It's hiccup, not a hippo. It's a hiccup.
Whoa, sounds like a hungry hippo.
It's hiccup. It's not funny.
What's the matter, Kiwi? You look all choked up.
Stop it. Hiccup. Oh, man, I don't hiccup. It feels so good. Hiccup.
Are you okay?
Hiccup. 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 Hiccup.
What the heck's going on?
Oh no, everybody watch out! He's gonna blow!
What the?
What the heck was that?
Seriously, I heard that in the other. Oh my god!
That was Kiwi. He had the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiot!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about?
You've never heard about what happens when a fruit gets the hiccups?
No.
First, they hiccup. Then they
explode!
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever hiccup. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again?
I said we have an orange with the hiccups.
Oh no, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Oh.
Look, everybody, the important thing right now is to just remain calm. No. Everybody just shut up. We're not going to freak out.
That's easy for you to say. You don't have an exploding hippo in your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's an exploding hippo.
Listen to me, Orange. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups?
Duh.
Then you have to do exactly what I tell you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's really simple. All you have to do is take a deep breath and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
What? No, that never works. I always heard you had to stand on your head and cross your eyes.
Shouldn't he be humming?
What?
Yeah, I heard all he's got to do is hum the Star Spangled Banner. Works every time.
No, this is ridiculous. He's got to breathe into a paper bag, right?
No.
All he's got to do is hum
No,
the
that's
Star
not what I
Spangled
heard.
Banner.
Just shut up.
No, that one never works. Orange!
Orange? Can you hear me?
Wake up, Orange!
Whoa.
Orange!
Are you okay?
Who turned out the lights?
Dude, you crashed and blacked out.
I did. Then why am I still orange?
Orange, do you hear that?
Yeah! His hiccups! They're gone!
Yay!
Oh.
Oh
Oh. I'm sorry, guys. I never thought I'd get the hiccups and go boom.
no! Orange, it's not your fault.
Yeah, it could happen to anyone. Look at Kiwi.
I know. He's everywhere. Oh.
We've got to figure out a way to stop them.
Oh no, they're getting worse by the second.
Help me.
Hey, Orange. I know we just met and all, but...
We're really sorry this is happening to you, Orange. You seem like such a great...
What was that?
I don't know. It kind of sounded like a...
Gorilla! Whoa! That guy doesn't monkey around.
How did that thing get in here?
Poor boomerangs. I don't think they'll come back from that one.
Okay, we get it. Enough.
I wonder why they didn't give him the slip.
Oh my god, Orange, your hiccups!
What about them?
They're gone!
Wow, Gorilla must have scared him away.
Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Now that's what I call a close hiccup. Ah, crap.
Action.
It's hiccup, not funny.
Sounds like a hungry hippo.
Alright, guys.
I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. He started laughing.
Can't help
and
it. It sounds so funny when you hiccup.
From the top. Here we go.
Action.
It's hiccup, not funny.
Sounds like a hungry hippo.
Alright. Guys, can we get this together?
I'll get it next time, I promise.
Action.
It's not funny.
Hi.
Wait. No, I'm sorry. No, I wasn't ready.
Action.
It's not fun.
Hi.
Guys!
No, Dave, no, I'm sorry. No, this is what you want, though. This is what you want. This is a funny script.
But I want to get done today. Action.
What was that?
I don't know. Kind of sounded like a.
But
Oh, dude, that's nasty.
guys, guys,
Dade, I'm a Kiwi from freaking New Zealand. Okay, you know what? You think you could lower the mic a little more? I think the camera can still see my face. Jeez. It's like amateur hour here.
Why do you have more lines than me?
I don't know. Because I'm handsome?
What? We look exactly the same.
No. I'm a handsome banana. You're an ugly, just stupid, dumb-looking banana. So.
Hey guys, I have bad news. We're about to die of hiccups. Oh man, you guys. You did about the hiccups. Look at the terror. Do you do this? Oh yeah, that's the problem. We're about to die of hiccups. It's okay, Rebecca. I got bad news and good news. The bad news is you got hiccups all day. So the good news is I will enjoy you the baby TikTok. That's for you, Rebecca. It's okay, Rebecca. Let's go. Hello, Rebecca. I hope you like that Rebecca hiccups. It's your baby. He named Dara. You're welcome, Rebecca. I hope you are babies. Haha.
Bored. I wonder if Knife ever gets bored. Cutting bored. So bored.
Hello, man. What are you up to today? I've been eating a button blast. I know I've been eating a button blast, and it dies. Mr. Apple will don't mom. I told you it was. Oh no, Luigi. What's the matter? Do you die hiccups all day? Oh man, that's how women got to up hiccups. How we did they one of them? Oh, I got an idea how we did it without hiccups. Bobo! Oh, come on. It's not a joke. It's Dave. Oh, I thought about my hiccups. Oh, I know. Maybe we're about to teach you. Yeah, that's how we do about the hiccup at the end. Oh yeah, that's how I'm letting. Oh, duh. That would be wonderful. Oh man, what about what about my hiccups? Please.
Okay.
Hey, you about hey, what about my hiccups?
You're welcome.
Oh, actually, but one more thing.
What?
Will you marry me?
Yes! I will marry you! Yay!
I have now loved you, Luigi and Roberta. You may now kids. What but the tower weapons?
Oh, Luigi, come here, you!